Alright, yo. Yo, what's up, YouTube? You know, man, this is Anthony back again with another video. And today, I was having a conversation with some of the co-workers and decided to post this video because I think it's it's things that people don't talk about enough. And considering that starting a business is a wave right now currently, even if, you know, hands down it's the right thing to do, I feel like everyone should have a side hustle, a side business, or something that they're trying to create bigger than themselves, that's outside of work, you know. But one thing that we don't talk about, let me stick to topic. One thing that we don't talk about enough is some of the first things that you need to do before starting a business. Now, excuse me. When I say this, you might assume that I'm talking about, and excuse the angle. I'm holding the phone. I don't got my tripod. So, if the camera bouncing around, it is in my hand, you know, things will be better. But one thing we don't talk about is the steps of creating a business. The first thing that people think about is you have to have an LLC, you have to structure your business, you need to have a business name, you need to have a logo, and all this extra stuff, Facebook pages and business pages and websites and all that stuff. And I'm not gonna deny and say that isn't true, right? Because it is. You do need all of those things if you plan to be successful. Oh, and it looked like it's a big accident ahead of me. But the one thing that hasn't been mentioned enough is the mental side of things. The first thing that you need to do when starting a new business is personal development and developing mental stability, right? The reason why I say that is because you won't understand unless you're currently going through it. Having a business, creating a business, if you're doing it solo or with a friend, co-worker, however you want to call it, but you start to notice that these things aren't as easy as you would think. But mental stability, going through it myself, experiencing starting a new business, my first business failing, having to regroup and restructure and plan things back out, I noticed that it stressed me out. I mean, stressed me out to, I've never been stressed out like that before. Feeling overwhelmed, you know, not being structured, not having a time-based plan, meaning a schedule set for how you get things done, how things get done. My bad, I'm trying to make sure that I don't get in an accident out here either. You know, wish them people the best. But we don't really talk about the things that go into it. You know, how much you have to be mentally strong for this lifestyle. You know, entrepreneurship is get promoted because everyone's doing it, so everybody thinks it's easy, you know, but nothing about entrepreneurship is easy. Nothing. You know, you can be skilled. You know, I'm a very skilled person. You know, a lot of stuff I've learned over the years, but a lot of stuff I didn't have to learn. I already had a knowledge about it. But that only made small tasks easier, not the overall picture. You know, but start to become, like, my biggest tip is become an active learner for your personal development and your mental health. You know, you can have the network you need. You can have a lot of stuff. You can literally have more than what I started with. and you're only going to make it so far if you're not mentally prepared for the downfalls and the troubleshooting and the creating that you're going to have to do. You know, you cut yourself short trying to be the octopus of the business, where you literally got your hands stretched out, you got 8 arms, and you literally trying to do everything. You want to do videos, you want to be the video, you want to create the video, you want to edit the video, you want to promote the video, you want to create the products, you want to name the products. Like, literally, you trying to do everything by yourself and wonder why it takes so long to get things done. You know, networking is key. Being able to delegate some of those activities to other people so you don't have to spend time on them is crucial and clutch when it comes to business. But none of that matters if you don't have the mental control and the well-being to make sure things get done and you can function while it's getting done. You know, I'm gonna keep this video short. This was just something that was on my mind. I want to make sure I get a video out. And I'm going to start posting stuff like this, you know, just trying to figure out my niche and what I want to do with YouTube. It is something I'm passionate about and I want to continue doing. But I understand there's still things for me to learn. And I'm one of those people that, you know, have been doing a lot of things by themselves. So, you know, it takes me a little bit more time to produce, which I'm getting there. But do me this one favor. If you did get some type of value from this video, give me a like. Subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading more. And if you have any question, any type of question, if you feel, you know, I give good enough advice, I have a lot of information, you know, to give. That's what I'm in the business to give. And if you have any question, feel free to drop a comment. And, the next video can be your question, you know, so leave a comment, like and subscribe. If you're curious enough, feel free to go follow my socials. I'm very active on Twitter. I will be posting on Instagram, but Twitter is really where I'm at socially. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all later, man. Peace.